guess everything was there. I was just looking at it. I thought I was missing some pieces until I flipped it over. Oh, and there they are. There's the helicopter right there. 2 pieces. There's one up there. So, yep. Forgot to show you what the guys bought. So, was at the hobby, was at the train show. They had Athearn, Rapido, Loke Sound with, or ESU with Loke Sound was there. Scale Trains was there, signed up for Gevo 4 or something that will be coming out, I guess, shortly. Intermountain was there. They had $20 off of your locomotive purchase, but I didn't get anything. The hobby store had their thing set up at the show. Didn't find anything that I liked. Went over to the store to look. This is Spring Creek Model Train Show, Deshler, Nebraska. Anyway, was talking with Dave, that's the owner. He said that I was wanting to pick up switches, turnouts for ladder tracks, and he was selling them at $30 a piece, brand new one, Pico's Streamline Code 83, at the store for $30. Well, he said he had picked up a state sale that he was selling off, and there were some at the show that were, well, he said 8, but I couldn't find any of the $8 ones. I did find 2 three-ways. These were $15 a piece. I didn't see nothing wrong with them. I'll have to do some work though. Well, it is gapped. They are gapped on the frogs. And there's a plastic there and plastic there. Plastic there and plastic there, and it's gapped. A little piece of plastic there. I'll see if I can get them to, that'll be my ladder tracks. Not sure what the number are, what number they are. They're Pico 88, Streamline 83, Code 83, and the rest of them, hang on, the others were, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lefts, 5 rights. Hopefully I did that right. Let's see, that's the right, and that's the right. That's a right, that's a right, and that's a right, and then 5 lefts for my yard tracks in HO, which I still don't have no tables for. I should have bought some flex track, but I didn't. But yep. So, and like I said, these were from an estate sale. They're spring loaded, so once you push it, they stay. If I want manual operating, if I want to use a tortoise switch machine, I'll have to pry this end piece out here and take the spring out. So, and let's see. The front, that's it's gapped up there probably. There's plastic there, separate them. Well, yep, not bad. These were $10 a piece, and those were $15 a piece. So something that would have cost $30, I got for 10, so 140 bucks here. So, yep. Don't know if I'll work on the layout tomorrow. I got laundry to do, and I gotta take back off on Monday. I gotta drop a load. Unload a load Monday morning in Hayes, and go to McPherson and pick up another load going back to Lodi. Straight shot to Lodi, so I'm working 4th, which I asked because I had the weekend off. So what I was maybe planning on doing tomorrow is seeing how much more of the living room I can get put underneath the bed here, because I got plenty of space. So yeah, catch you later, guys. Oh, I'll have video of all the train layouts and pictures and some other stuff, so be looking for it.